everyone, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 10, 11? My head. Wait, so today I put up day 9. Tomorrow I'm putting up day 10. This is day 11. Welcome to Vlogmas day 11. I'm standing by my tree because I thought it would be festive. I have been rushing around all morning because I go to work at 9 today versus 9:30, and you wouldn't think a half hour would make a huge difference, but it does, especially because I got up to go to the gym before. I had to wake up at 5:55. Very specific. What are those lights? Oh, it's my car. I had to wake up at 5:55. I was still somehow like running late. So I was running late all morning. The bed's not made. Dylan usually makes the bed, so I'll have to do that when I get home and like clean up because I've just been like running around like rushing, but now somehow I have like 5 minutes before I have to go. So I thought I'd start the vlog. It's mostly gonna be after what? Oh yeah, it's mostly gonna take place after work today. Julie's coming over tonight for dinner, so that'll be fun. We haven't hung out in a bit, so I was like, why don't you come over, make some dinner. I'm gonna make pad see you, just hang out and chat. I also really want to wrap some gifts, but we'll see. I hope everyone's having a great day. If today's day 11, there's 14 days till Christmas. No, 25 minus 11 would be 14. There's 14 days till Christmas. Yeah, I need to go, but it's a really casual day today. I'm wearing this fluffy jacket I got at Walmart last year, 2 years ago, and then just some Gymshark little leggings and my fuzzy socks. Got my fuzzy socks. Oh, I didn't even show you what I got from the Yankee Swap. I got bananagrams, which I used to have when I was younger, and I don't really remember how to play, but I feel like this would be like a fun thing to play. Honestly, when the power goes out, or just like, I don't know, just something fun Dylan and I could do. And then I got this game, Who's Most Likely To, which is so funny because I've literally been wanting this game and I'm so excited about it. We have been loving playing games, like just having friends over and playing games, so we love a good game. It was funny, I felt like all of the Yankee Swaps were games, which is fun because, you know, we're in quarantine, we can't really go out, so we just stay home and play games. Alright, I really need to go. I'll see you when I get back. Hi guys, I'm out of work now and I'm actually at Target. I was able to find a gift that I've been looking for and I ordered it online and now it's like ready for me to pick it up. So I'm gonna pick this up and then I'm gonna head home and clean up the apartment. Again, didn't I do that yesterday? I'm just like a mess. It's like Dylan went away and I was like, oh, I'll have all this time. No, somehow have no time. I feel like I'm rushing around. Yeah, and I need to edit before Julia comes over tonight. So I'm gonna run in and go grab that. Got it? Let's go home. Okay guys, it's that time. I'm gonna have a snack, start editing some Vlogmas. Dylan's Target red card came. Also, a Christmas gift came. I don't wanna show my address or what it is, but it's from Maddox 101. I guess I just gave it away, but I'm gonna go edit and then Julia's coming over at like 5:30. It's finally exporting. It is 5:17. Julia's coming in literally, oh, 5:18. Okay, so Julia should be on her way. I mean, she should be here any minute, who knows. I'm making pad see ew tonight, so I have a green and a red pepper, broccoli, and a white onion. And I'm just gonna start chopping this stuff up until she gets here, and then hopefully I'll remember to film while she is here. So I just told Julia I didn't even vlog. This lighting is horrific.
Yeah.
It's not much better. But Julia's here. We've just been chatting all night. You know, just some good chats.
Yeah. Ate some noodles. It was great.
Yeah. The tree already went off. It's 9:30. Probably gonna go to bed. Julia's like, I'll be up for a few more hours.
Yeah. I'll go to bed in like 2 hours.
Yeah. I'll probably go to bed like when you leave. But I didn't vlog anything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We're gonna do another video next week.
We're gonna make cookies.
So look out for that video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day now. It's Thursday, December 10th. You're seeing this a few days later. Julie and I had such a fun time last night. Okay, wait, pause. I need to do my makeup and talk to you at the same time because I need to get to work. But I wanted to do a little get ready with me chit chat because I do not have enough footage for yesterday. I still want to upload it because I feel like it's still a decent vlog. It's just, I know, I haven't even looked at the footage, but I just know it's so short. So I thought I'd just do a little chit chat. Right now I'm using this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Powder. No, Poreless Putty Primer. I love this stuff. I feel like it just makes your makeup stay on. And it's literally e.l.f. I think I saw Jessica Howell using this stuff, so I tried it out and I love it. Have you guys watched Jessica Howell's videos? She's like popping off with her pregnancy videos. I can't imagine being pregnant right now. In case you're wondering. Oh, that's what I was saying. Julie and I had such a fun time last night, but there like wasn't anything to really vlog because we were literally just like catching up and chatting about life. Like we were literally talking about like health insurance and just like anxiety and food like sensitivities and, you know, just like normal stuff. So I didn't really vlog much, but I made pad see ew and Julie had never tried it before and she really liked it. And then we just sat and talked literally at my dining room table all night. So that was really fun. And then when she left, Dylan and Cole FaceTimed me around like, I don't even know, it must have been 10, and I was like doing the dishes, trying to clean up. I like to clean up at night so that I'm not like freaking out in the morning that it's all like a mess. So I did that, and then I was like freaking out because I was up late and I like to go to bed early, but I feel like I got a good night's sleep. Also, I feel like I haven't even addressed that Dylan's away on a business trip. I like put it in a vlog a little bit, but I didn't want to like put it up because like for safety reasons I didn't want people to know I was here by myself. But they actually went up, the first one's going up today and he's coming home today. But yeah, he's been away on a business trip, which sounds like so adult, but it's been fine. Like I've been literally so busy I've barely even noticed, which like sounds good or sounds bad, but like it's not. It's just like I've literally been go with VLOGMAS. I haven't had a second to like breathe. And I was thinking about that last night and I was like, I need to relax because I'm gonna get myself sick and I'm traveling next week and we can't have that. I literally need to do my makeup so fast because I have to work at 8 and it's 7:30. Just doing, shoot, I forgot I need to wear a mask today. Normally if I'm wearing a mask, I will not put on foundation. I literally won't put on makeup from here down. I'll do eyebrows, mascara, concealer, and maybe like a little bit of bronzer because I just hate having makeup on under a mask. I feel like I can like feel the pimples coming in. It's just like not good for your skin. It's like working out with makeup on. No thank you. I'm so excited for today. I work until like 12:30 and then Mom and I are going into town. This has been planned since like last week and we haven't been able to go. So we're finally going today. I'm so excited, but that's why I need to do my makeup so that it's done. But I also am running out of time. I guess we can talk about like my future plans for the rest of VLOGMAS. So I am traveling in next Thursday. I leave. So a week from today. I'm a bit nervous about it, but everyone's telling me it's gonna be okay. Everyone's actually saying that like planes are like one of the safest places to be right now because they're like doing a really good job. But I am traveling. Dylan is not coming. I'm going with my mom and you'll just have to stay tuned for where we're going. I'm excited, a little bit stressed out because I just feel like you have to get everything. Traveling during Christmas time is like a lot because I feel like I have to like see everyone, do everything, get everything, all the presents bought and everything before I leave because when I get back, it's literally like the day before Christmas Eve. But it'll be fun. You guys will be able to see where I'm going. I'll be vlogging. I get a little nervous because I don't want to think people like think I'm irresponsible and like traveling because I want to be like as safe as possible. I also just feel like I should go because we're going to see family safely. Like I've already seen them in quarantine or in this like pandemic, but like I don't know. I'm trying to be vague about it so it's a surprise of what I'm doing, but also like you probably understand where I'm coming from and where I'm going and what I'm doing. So that's on that. I feel like I've been running late and trying to catch up these past few days, like every single day. Because vlogging just takes up more time. So I just feel like I'm like rushing to catch up and I never do. Like it's 7:30. I have to leave in 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna put my eyebrows on, put my lashes on, put some clothes on. I'm literally just gonna wear workout clothes today and then go get the girl I tutor. Her mom said that the cases at the hospital she works at are like spooky, so she asked if I would wear a mask. I don't know what else to update you guys on. Oh, I finished Dylan's presents yesterday. That was exciting. So that's all done. I'm just waiting for things to come in. My throat is so dry right now. We got a dehumidifier for our bedroom, but like I have not been filling it up. That's probably my own fault. Okay, I want to do a question of the day because I feel like people watch these videos but no one comments, and I want to know, like I want to interact. I want like you to like comment and let me know what's up. So question of the day today is, okay, you know what it's gonna be? Question of the day, what's your favorite Christmas movie? I know that's like such a generic question, but I have barely watched any and I need to know if there's any new ones that I should be watching or like ones I've never seen because I'm not a movie person. So I really haven't seen that many. I mean, I've seen Elf, I've seen The Santa Claus, that's my favorite one. I've seen The Grinch, but I've never seen like The Christmas Chronicles or whatever. I've never seen Home Alone. I've seen bits and pieces of Home Alone, so I feel like I've seen it because I've just seen like parts of it so many times, but I've never like sat down and watched the whole thing. But I love those cheesy like Netflix ones. Julie and I were talking about that last night. I always put those on like when I'm wrapping presents, like The Princess Swap or like that one where they get married, the royal family, and they like get engaged, and then in the second movie they get married, and then the third movie they have a baby. I love those. Just like while I'm wrapping, and it's just like you're not totally paying attention, but it's still Christmassy and cute. I also love a good Christmas book, and I haven't read any this year. I feel like I'm like, it's December 10th and I feel like I've like, where's the time gone? Where have these 10 days gone? Okay, so I just finished my makeup. I need to take off the little mascara bits, but I'm gonna end this vlog here because I need to start one for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me, little catch up. Please subscribe down below. Comment your favorite Christmas movie. Comment anything else you want to see this Vlogmas. We have a few more days to go. That's crazy. And I will see you guys tomorrow.